You guys have been asking for this, so here's the new and improved polymer clay dragon tutorial of the black dragon. So the colors you're going to be using are black and white, so start off with your black clay and roll it out into the shape of a head. Now take a larger chunk of clay and kind of roll it out into an oblong body shape. Make sure the neck area is slightly longer and skinnier than the bottom. Now take another piece of clay and roll it out into a very long strip. This is going to be the tail, and it can be however long you want it to be. Attach it to the back and smooth it out. Take two small chunks of clay and make them into a sort of teardrop shape to make the legs. Now take some sort of ball tool and make eye sockets. I use beads as the eyes, but you can use regular white clay and it'll work just fine. Make smaller teardrop shapes to make feet, then add cuts in between to make toes. Position everything the way you like it and remember to smooth everything out. Take your white clay and roll out a thin sheet that we're going to use for the belly. Cut it into a thin trapezoid shape.
Don't try this yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
Take a little bit of clay and roll out thin discs that we're going to use in folds for the ears. Now take another piece of clay and roll out all the horns you want. You can add as many as you'd like. I made eyebrows by rolling out thin pieces of clay, making it smaller at the bottom and slightly thicker in the middle. Take your white sheet of clay and add as many horns and markings as you'd like. Roll out a short worm shape that you're going to use for the arms, then make 3 cuts in between to make the fingers. I had this marble laying around, so then I thought maybe I can incorporate it to the look. Now take your stabbing tool or whatever and make creases along the dragon's belly. Roll out a semi-thick piece of clay and cut it into a square to make the wings. Take some black clay to make the outline of the wings and another thin piece of black clay to make the crease in the wing. Take a thin sheet of black clay and then put it on the back of the wing so the white isn't showing. Take a toothpick or an eye pin or something you can use to position the head on top of the body. I took a paper clip and cut little pieces out and then put them inside the wings so I could put them onto the back. add and position spikes however you would like on your dragon. Remember to curl the tail in whatever way you would like. You can either keep your dragon the way it is or add a little bit of glaze to give it some shine. And now you have a cute little dragon. Thanks for watching, everyone, and remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!